Hello everyone, Renato from Headspin UI here, and in this video we are going to cover this cool effect called Morphing Tab. When we change active item, you see this morphing background animation. It will transition from previously active to new element, and that is called morphing effect. To implement this, it is pretty easy setup. You need to just copy, and we are now in local install. Okay, I'll paste it, and we are going to save. In top left corner, you could see this background. It is out of position right now. It needs this JavaScript code to calculate position. So we need to click execute, and we are going to have exactly the same preview as in front end. And now we could see, if you want style, almost everything you could style as you would do normally. It is native tab element. Only this morphing background effect, you need to style as custom CSS. You need to go here on this div which has CSS name. Under custom CSS, you could see this comment edit styles below. Here you could adjust border radius and background. These are just two needed options. And after adjusting, you need just to save. Also, it will work in with tabs in vertical mode. Let's change tabs to vertical. And you could see that it is working also with vertical. It works by utilizing intersection observer. That is a cool thing that is tracking when active element is changed, and when we change element, it will calculate this background position and place it under that element. And with small CSS transition, we get this really cool effect. So let's save. And the last step is to check it on front end. And it works as expected.